In today's video, I'll teach you how to connect Bluetooth on Komoot. First of all, launch open Komoot application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to connect to the Bluetooth, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the profile interface. What you have to do is go to settings. For that, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down. In the section for connection, at second you'll be able to find this option for Bluetooth Connect. What you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to connect Komoot with supported Bluetooth devices. You'll be able to find various options over here. You have to select what Bluetooth device you want to connect to. What you have to do is simply tap on the option of your choice. Now once you do that, you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on this option allow that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here Komoot wants to turn on Bluetooth. Tap on this option allow. Now the Bluetooth will be enabled. Now what you have to do is simply wait for a while. Now you can see over here it is waiting for the connection. What you have to do is simply follow any on-screen instructions that you see on your external Bluetooth device. After you do that, you'll be able to finalize the connection. The process will vary according to the device that you select. For example, if you selected the Miz device, what you have to do is simply on your Miz bike computer activate Bluetooth and select your phone. Once connected, you'll see Komoot's navigation instructions on your Miz display when navigating a route. So like this, you'll be able to connect the Bluetooth. So that is how you connect Bluetooth on Komoot. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.